Crystals for meditation and healing. Mined from Mother Earth, some stones have the ability to preach spirituality and clear your inner thoughts. Curious to know which crystals might be best for your meditation and healing? If yes, then you have just landed on the right video. Meditation and crystals always go hand in hand. They not only balance your inner self, but also sparkle with healing energy. Though many people use crystals as a part of their home decor to give a more earthy vibe, their esoteric properties are also getting quite famous. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to talk you all through top crystals for meditation and healing. So make sure to sit back and stick with me till the end of the video so that you don't miss anything. Now, without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. But before we dig deep, let's take a look at how to meditate with crystals. Do you know that crystals were being used for thousands of years for healing and meditation? Well, apart from that, crystals are known to have a direct effect on consciousness. So, in order to meditate with crystals, you will be needing your chosen crystal and sit in the most relaxed environment with candles or dim lights. You can also cleanse your crystals by exposing them to the sun or immersing them in salt water. You can either meditate with them in the bath or with your chakras. And now, let's talk about the crystals which can help you best with meditation and healing. Clear Quartz. Similar to diamond, clear quartz is known to be the master healer, and we are not surprised. Its bright and sparkly look is known to clear your goals in mind and future dreams as well. Not only that, it also works to amplify your energy. But the best part about this crystal is that it can remove all the distractions from your life. So, if you feel confused about accepting the job offer or not, then try to meditate with clear quartz, as it will let you know about your true intentions. Citrine, exuding to the joy of lightheartedness and powerful energy, citrine gives the vibe of citrus fruit. Its bright color is known to bring wealth and good fortune. It is known to attract joyful and happy memories. So, whenever you feel down, try to meditate with citrine in your meditation space. And trust me, it will work in the best way to uplift your mood and make you feel better. Black tourmaline. Looking for a crystal that can protect you from negative energy? Black tourmaline is the one for you. Its black and brimming look emits raw volcanic energy. It will inculcate all the positive energy into your mind when you meditate with it. It makes you strong for the rest of the day as well, due to its strong grounding abilities. So you don't have to worry about negative energy after meditating with this stone once a day. And trust me on this. Rose quartz. Do you think that you are not giving much attention to yourself? Lack that pinch of self-care? Then make sure to carry rose quartz with you in your next meditation, and here's why. This pink-colored crystal is known to heal hearts and grow your levels of love and trust. Not only that, it also represents universal love and soothes your mind. So, if you think that your love life is not going too great, or if you are facing any difficulties in your relationship, then leave it all on the rose quartz. Selenite, the anti-stress crystal? Well, selenite is the one, and here's why. Its beautiful lilac lavender color is not only pretty to look at, but also calming to touch. Its high vibrations are known to remove anxiety and tune into your deeper sense of love. So, if you are looking for a deeper leap during your meditation, then don't forget to rub this crystal on your forehead. And trust me, it always works wonders. Moonstone. This light-colored crystal brings light into your life by helping you to let go of your ego. But now you must be wondering, that's why it's called moonstone in the first place. Well, there's a reason behind this. On the day of the full moon, This stone gets charged with a light, and you can also bring emotional balance into your life by putting this stone on your heart. Exciting, right? Not only that, it also fills your life with luminous energy and allows your intuition to lead you in every matter of your life. And usually, intuition is always right. So, are you getting moonstones soon? Let me know in the comments. Like the video so far? Then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as a little action from you can help our channel grow tremendously. Now, let's get back to the video. Carnelian. Carnelian starts with a C and brings 3 things that also start with the letter C. That is courage, creativity, and confidence. This glowing stone with orange and red hues can immediately bring you into the energetic phase. So, if you are going through any slump or difficulty in your life, then placing carnelian on the sacral chakra can help you greatly. Labradorite, also known as the third eye. This magical stone is not known as the magical stone for no reason. It displays magical colors in a mix of blue, shimmers, and silvers. You will be amazed to know that it can recognize your destiny. So meditating with this stone can turn out to be the best choice for you. Not only that, it also protects you all day long from negative energy with the help of its strong vibrations. Though it is known to show you dark places during your meditation, it also leads you to the correct path during your meditation. So, if you are not on the right path, then labradorite might guide you. Obsidian. This satin midnight stone is all black and shiny, but don't be fooled by its black appearance. Though its color is not that of peace, it does bring calmness into your life. If you can't help yourself from overthinking about small things and find yourself stuck in different situations, then obsidian can do the job for you. You can armor up your aura by holding obsidian in your hand. And with that being said, it brings us to the end of our video. Which crystal do you think will perfectly match your vibe and situation? Let me know in the comments. Now it's time for us to say goodbye, but don't be sad, as we will be back soon. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon button so that you don't miss any witchy updates from my channel. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.